Oh, very good. Yes, I broke the code to get into the high security storage facility. Oh, I've got a fucking flat tire. Motherfucker. Crikey. It just doesn't stop, does it? Fuck me in the goat ass. I guess it couldn't hold. It's good to know before I put shit on it. Motherfucker. Wonder how long it's been flat. I wonder how long it's been flat. It's funny. Is there really something that a responsible adult should ever say? It's too funny. Oh shit. Got to back it on up now, baby. Back it on up. Beep, beep, beep. Got a wide load coming through. Beep, 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 beep. Wide load coming through. Oh, this is the wrong fucking aisle. Motherfucker. Poor tire. It's done for. It's done for. That's okay. Let's go park on the right aisle. Crikey. Driving around with a flat tire. What a moron. Yeah. Didn't cut it soon enough. Let's try it again. There we go. It's better. Alright, back that fat ass up, baby. Yeah. Back it up. Back it up. Oh yes, yes. I like it when you back it up. Back up that ass, baby. Oh, not that way, baby. Oh, yeah, not that way. Baby, okay. Love you, man. It's a PHAT, baby. Right. Whew, we made it.